So when I look for new potential markets, it's a lot like looking at an investment property, an individual investment property. So again, I'm looking at, well, first of all, does it cash flow? That's positive. Number one, is there a cash flow opportunity? That's attractive to me, because if it's positive cash flow, then that means people will be attracted to it. And I have, worst case scenario, I'm making money on a monthly basis. Number two, I want to look at the market trends. So am I buying in a down market? That's a good thing. So when I look at the historic trends of the market and compare it to other markets, am I buying somewhere where it's depressed and there's opportunity for growth? So looking at market trends. So example, when we started investing in Calgary in 2019, and people are like, you guys are crazy. Calgary real estate only goes down. I'm like, well, no, that's when you buy, it's down. And over the past 5 years, it has gone one way, it's gone up. So it's looking at where the opportunity is. Now, again, going back to that Calgary market, there was positive cash flow and I was buying in a down market. I don't know when that market is going to recover. I don't have that crystal ball, but I based it on cash flow and then looked at the stats going, okay, this has to break the other way at some point. I just don't know when. And it did soon after that. And then number three is, what is the global impact on the area? So what I mean global impact in regards to, is there an opportunity for a global impact, like a global impact, so a global effect to impact the city? Why that's important is that if you have a global impact on the city, then you can have upsized growth compared to other markets. So I'm looking at getting above what other markets can provide. So Toronto is a global city, Vancouver is a global city. Now they're high price, well, actually prices have gone down. So that's a good opportunity, because I look at the historic trends. I see condo values have gone down like this. I'm seeing a bottoming out of pricing. I don't know when things are going to turn, but I know that we're going to hit interest rates that are in the 3% range at some point, starting with a 3. And when that happens, cash flow will be positive again for landlords at today's current purchase prices, which will then lead to upsized growth and value. So looking for global impacts that can impact the city as well. And that's, again, a reason why we like Calgary, because it actually is a global city in Canada.